No, it cannot. But the door can open though. Anyway, what's the purpose of the stop?
Yes, Constable Kellyman, you're doing a VCP, checking for illegal drugs. If I have anything you have to declare?
You have any, no, you have any reason to suspect if I have any illegal drugs?
Driver, sir, we're doing a vehicular check.
Understand. So man,
a free stop and then firearm, dangerous firearm.
Right, sir.
Good night, sir.
Yes, sir. Douglas is the name, right?
Yes, Mr. That.
Yes, sir. We get information that vehicles are traveling this direction with stolen agricultural produce.
Right.
Yes, sir. So we're conducting full checks, right?
Yes.
So you mind pulling the trunk?
So you have reason to suspect that this vehicle has.
All right. We never
stolen.
get a description of the vehicle.
Right.
So we're making checks.
So you never get a description. So you believe that this is a vehicle?
Sir,
I'm just trying to defend my rights. That's all.
How will we know?
Again, I am willing to open the trunk for you.
I don't want it to video me, sir.
You can talk to your son. That's what. That's who's that? Inspector McBean or McLean? Which one of them?
I don't want it to video me. That is my right.
No.
And you're violating it.
Believe me, it is my right to video in the public space and I record. Good
yeah,
JCF policy.
Hold on,
yes?
if you send out a video with me, it is my right to
by the way, my name is Jermaine Dunn, by the way.
Okay, sir.
So you know that you're
right,
speaking
so
to
you
someone
can pull the trunk for me,
law.
please.
So you want me to pull the trunk?
I don't know of you, sir.
Oh, you don't know of me?
Okay. You can pull the trunk for me, please.
Commanding officer?
Pull the trunk for me, please, sir.
So,
a constable is giving you a command.
like I said, listen, like I said, if you believe you have reason to suspect, go ahead and open the trunk.
No,
the
sir,
trunk you cannot go and prison.
I
am not consenting to you searching my vehicle, sir. I am not.
You don't have to consent.
Oh, I don't.
I got information.
So
therefore you need to comply.
What's
you
your
will
name
be
again, by
charged
the
for
way?
it. Douglas.
What kind of Douglas? What's your first name?
Douglas is mine.
What's your first name?
Carlos Douglas.
Carlos Douglas.
Yes, sir.
And your ID number, your badge number, your ID number?
Number 22555.
Okay. All
yes,
right.
sir.
So you feel like you want me to open my trunk?
Yes,
Be
sir.
reminded that I'm not waiving any rights.
I am not waiving your rights
okay.
either. I'm asking
and I have the right to freedom of movement. All of my constitutional rights are reserved.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Just please note that.
In which it can be infringed upon.
If you have reasonable and articulable grounds.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So remember, here's the trunk. If you feel like you want to go in there, ply it off. I am not opening it freely.
All right,
so ply it off.
Documents on driver's
ply it off if you like.
Hold on,
flight.
Sir. Hold on, you can go to the station. Okay.
I know.
Yeah, man. So therefore, take the key from the motor vehicle and go into the station. I can securely lock it. Yes, sir.
Yes.
You will provide identification or complaint to the police.
I'm not failing to provide anything to you.
Yes, sir. You
no,
are.
I'm not.
You are.
I am not. Okay. Be reminded I am not. Okay.
Yeah, man, we don't talk.
Right down where you are right now.
Yes. Be reminded I am not. So if you want them, you can get them. Refusing what? Refusing what? Remember I'm recording. There's no refusal here.
I am warning you.
Yeah, come along. So what do you want, sir? Tell me what you want. Come. Hello. Under the threat of anything at all, I will give you what you want. So sit here. No, man. Sit here.
You're
take
good,
it.
Sir.
No. Take it. Here you go.
Say name Jermaine Dunn.
Yes, here is my license if you like it.
No, man, you refused already.
Hey, I am giving it to you. Here it is.
Mr. Dunn.
Here is my license.
Where you live, sir? Where you live?
Sir, if you want my license,
no,
man,
that you
can take
license.
it. Oh, you don't want it?
If the instructions you fail to comply and you will be
so
charged, that's it.
Nothing wrong with that.
Right.
So you don't want the license?
No, sir.
All right, cool. Send it some man's come.
You will get it.
Send it come. May I see the vehicle number, please? Excuse me. You can step away, let me see the vehicle number. Thank you. Send this someone. Come on, wait, no one like this long time.
Yeah,
what's your name, officer?
You will get it, sir.
Driver.
Who is the driver of this vehicle?
Driver.
Yes, sir.
You're a civilian.
And I am a civilian that is versed in the law. And a student of the law. So go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, and your name is?
I'm
Ashane Lee. Okay. I didn't get your name, officer. What's your name? No, man. This officer told me his name, not this one. What's your name?
Kellyman.
What kind of Kellyman?
Constable Kellyman.
And your badge number, your ID number?
24507.
Thank you very much.
I remember, if you send out a video with me, you will speak to my life.
Man, just stop in Isaiah, man. And this is Jermaine Dunn. Here is the vehicle. And we're in the Manchiel area. Send it come.
sir.